How you going, everybody? My name is Bodie. I'm the chef de cuisine here. Very exciting times. Our first family channel junior master chef. So what today's going to consist of is 3 rounds. First round is going to be eggs. Second round is going to be making meringue. Third round is going to be a blind tasting. And then the 4th round is for the 3 finalists. And I will create a dish and you have to make it exactly like I did. So what we're going to do is separate the egg from the egg whites, the egg yolks. So what you're going to do, whenever you crack an egg, you never ever crack it on a corner. You always hit it on a flat surface. Crack it in half. So what you do is you pour it in your hand, and what happens, if you open up your fingers slightly and wiggle it around nice and slowly, the egg whites are going to fall through. But watch out, because these egg yolks will break very, very, very easy. And in there, crack it, shake it out a little bit. So you go back to your table and I'll bring over some eggs. I'll bring over everything for you. Lovely. So what we're going to do here, guys, is called a meringue. So what we're going to do is put them in there. You only need a little bit. Who's whisked before? Who's used one of these? All of yous? Lovely. So, literally all you do is you just go crazy. You move it backwards and forwards, and you keep going for a very, very long time. It shouldn't come out. Shouldn't. And if it comes out, it's okay. I don't clean up the mess anyway, it's okay. Okay, see how it starts to get nice, light and fluffy? You want to keep going. You want to keep going and going and going. You're going to get a very sore hand. And then when you see how it's starting to get nice and fluffy and light, what you're going to do is you're going to add half of the sugar. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's half, right? And then keep whisking. Whisk. So what you want, this is called soft peak. Soft peak is when it's nice and runny still. And you're going to keep going. Okay, so I'm going to keep going like this. You'll have a bit more time than last time to do this. So go back to your stations and then start working on it, okay? And I'll let you know when to start. Go! Okay guys, so if you think that your egg whites are at stiff peak, I dare you to put them over your head, because what you want to do is this. Should I trust yours?
Here, round 1, the egg separating competition is Caitlin, Eli, Regine.
So we got this little swirly plate, we have a tart shell, what we're going to do, and we have cream. Chocolate garnish. My favorite things in the world, Kit Kat. You're going to put a big dollop down, and that's exactly what you want to do. You just want it nice and smushed. And then we're going to get the torch, and I'm going to light that. See how it torches it up like that? I'll come and help you with that bit. So the tart's got to be the same way, the Kit Kat's got to be the same way, everything has to be the same way. But you have 3 minutes. Okay? That's the joys of the kitchen, is always pressure, always have to be a timeline. Okay, so everyone ready? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Doing well? Okay, you got 40 seconds left.
And today, Rajin was our winner.